I made a fragrance at home and I can't believe how easy it was and how good it turned out to actually smell. Hey guys, I'm George, the nice smelling gentleman. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to try to make my own fragrance at my home without much effort. And I'm going to, record the whole process and show you how you can also do that if you want to experiment with your own fragrances. But first of all, let's talk about how I ended up doing all this, how I ended up recording this video, and how and why I ended up trying to make my own fragrance at my own home. A few weeks ago, I was contacted by the guys from a brand, Dubai-based brand that's called Luxador. Now, for some of you who have been interested into Middle Eastern fragrances for a while, this name might ring a bell. Back in the day, this brand used to make perfumes, like complete products that you can go buy, open up and spray on yourself. Some time ago though, they shifted their efforts from making a complete fragrance product to actually offering perfume oils. They have a website. I'm going to link it in the comment section of this video, into the description of this video. You can visit that website, you can check it out. But basically, you can buy a few different types of products. You can buy, discovery sets which contain 10 different perfume oils that come in 10 milliliter bottle size with a roll-on applier on them, something that I'm going to show you in a second. You can also buy many different of their inspirations, like pure perfume oils that you can buy and mix at your own home and create your own fragrance. So after some back and forth with the brand itself, after they sent me the initial email, we decided that they're going to send me a reviewers package, like a complete discovery set of 10 of their fragrances, that come up in that roll-on 10 milliliter bottle size, and also a complete set for making my own fragrance at home. This is the box that I ended up receiving after we decided to do this collaboration video. Now, what is inside the box, you may ask? Well, inside the box you'll find this discovery set that contains their 10 pieces of 10 milliliter perfumes, a pair of rubber gloves, which I'm going to use for creating the actual fragrance, two of these metal bottles that contain, one of them has perfume ethanol. As you probably know, this is the main ingredient in most of perfumes nowadays, unless they're water-based. This is the actual fragrance, or the pure perfume oil. In this case, it's their inspiration of Bleu de Chanel exclusive. And you also get some additional stuff, like a 100 milliliter bottle, empty bottle, that I'm going to use to mix the ethanol and the perfume oil. This presser thing that I'll end up completing the fragrance, pressing on the sprayer on the bottle, and also this big 10 milliliter pipette that I'm going to use in order to mix the fragrance. Now, before I proceed in making my own perfume, mixing my own perfume, let's take a quick look at the discovery set. Now, as I said, it contains 10 different samples, 10 milliliter samples in pure perfume oil type and concentration with a roll-on applier. They sent 10 different fragrances. Now, most of them are actually very impressive. One thing I've noticed is that the quality on the oils and their concentration is very, very high. They're very highly concentrated perfume oils. As far as I know, they're using Switzerland made perfume oils, so they should be from the highest possible quality. Their sample set contains their inspirations of Layton, of Ventus, of let's say Ombre Nomad, Dior Homme Intense, Dior Homme Parfum 2025, Baccarat Rouge 540. All of them except one are actually very, very nice and come very close to the original scents. The only one that was a slight disappointment for me was their Creed Ventus inspiration, which to me smells more like Nishane Hashivat X rather than Creed Ventus, but that's the only one that was slightly disappointing for me. Everything else actually is top notch, especially their Ombre Nomad, for example. Inspiration comes pretty close to the original one and is very, very beastly when it comes to the performance. So Another thing that I wanted to mention is again the fact that according to them they're using only Swiss-made perfume oils of the highest possible quality, and I can confirm that the quality of their oils is actually very high nowadays. You know, I have quite a bit of experience with many different type of fragrances, and I can smell good quality when I you know, come across something like that. One other thing that they can do, they offer private labeling. So for example, if you want to contact them and make your own line of fragrances, they can do pretty much everything for you. You can be sorted out on that front. You can contact them for you know, that kind of thing. So let's move on to the main part of the video where I'm actually going to create my own fragrance live in front of the camera. Let's go safety first. Let's put on some rubber gloves on, so you know, we don't do anything stupid. I also need to add the fact that the guys were kind enough to send me a sort of like a short tutorial video where they're showing you basically how you can do this at home. I don't think it's that complicated of a process, but still, because I'm doing this for the first time, I'm mixing up oils and ethanol for the first time, I just wanted to see how it should be done properly. So let's start. First of all, we need to use the Perfume oil. This again is their inspiration of Bleu de Chanel exclusive. Let's open up the bottle and see what's inside. It's sealed off with something plastic that stops it from being opened unwillingly. It's also sealed off inside, so that's nice. That will make sure that there's no evaporation or anything like that during the transport process. Okay, so I ended up completely removing this thing without trying to open it, and the Perfume oil is inside. Whew. It's quite strong. Now, according to the video that they sent me, I should use 30 milliliters of this. Let's see if there are 30 milliliters inside. This is a 10 ml pipette. I hope you can see it. I'll try to include some close-ups as well, but it should be very easy. So I took a little bit more than 10 mLs. Let's bring it up. It's going to a little bit more finicky than I thought it would be. Okay, so we have 9 mLs here. Let's go with that first round. Putting this inside. Okay, so we have 9 mLs already in. So I need 1 more ml to make it 30, because the instruction video was like that. You should use 30 mLs. Let's see though if I can get 1 ml though. These are 2 here. Oh, let's say that this is 1 extra ml. So, and there's still some oil left inside, which is interesting. At 30 ml of Perfume oil in a 100 milliliter bottle size, that should bring the concentration to about 30%, which makes it an extrait de parfum, if I'm not mistaken. So that means it should be very highly concentrated. Now let's open up the ethanol bottle, which is the other major ingredient in perfumery. Yeah, this smells like pure alcohol. So now we should put 70 mLs of this thing in here, 70 mLs of ethanol. And this is a very easy way to start a perfume business from home and then later on scale up with private labeling. Yep, so we have 70 milliliters of ethanol and 30 milliliters of Perfume oil in here. So that should be it for the mixing process. Now we have to put the sprayer on and press fit it as well. This probably will be the more interesting part of it. Now this is the pressing tool. It has 2 holes, as you can see. One of them is has bigger diameter, so I think that's the way that you should put it on, and you should only press. And that's it. I just made my own fragrance at my home. It was that easy, keeping in mind that I'm doing it for the first time. Now the instruction video also said that you should shake the bottle very well, like this, for a few seconds, put the cap on and leave the bottle to rest for a couple of days, of course, at a cool, dry and dark place. So I'm going to record the rest of the video once I've waited a couple of days for this to, get that initial maturing or maceration process going on. And I'm going to record the end of the video after I've waited for a couple of days. So guys, I'm back exactly 3 days later, or to be more specific, exactly 72 hours after I recorded the initial mixing up of the fragrance. So I'm going to be back here with the end result. I waited exactly as long as the guys from Luxador told me. So let's see what the end result actually is. Of course, again, this is their inspiration of Bleu de Chanel exclusive. And I'm really surprised at how easy it was to make everything, keeping in mind that I'm doing it for the very first time in my life, and also how good the end result is. Now this, as I said, is not exactly the same as Bleu de Chanel exclusive, but it's definitely one of the best clones or inspirations of exclusive that I've tried, and keeping in mind that I've already tried like 6 or 7 different exclusive clones, and in fact I'm in the process of testing a new one as well. And this probably stacks very close to something like a Nocturno Elixir from from Raihan. Again, it was incredibly easy. I'm going to update the video with a bit of a sort of like a thumbnail, or not thumbnail, like a text to exactly quote the performance, because again, keep in mind that I'm testing this one basically as soon as I got it out of the place where it was sitting for the last 3 days. So right now I cannot tell you about performance, but definitely seems to project very nicely and seems to smell pretty close to exclusive. Keep in mind, again, this was mixed at 30%, so this will make it like an extrait de parfum version. But again, I'm really amazed at how easy it was for me to actually make my own fragrance, and how good of end result we actually got out of it. Again, I'm going to leave a link to the Luxador's website below this video. Again, I received all that package for free for the purpose of me of testing and making a video. But I'm absolutely honest with you guys, if the end result is always that easy to achieve and that good, then I think it's definitely worth it, especially if you are curious about trying to mix your own fragrances, just like me. If you want to experiment with different things, this is actually a very nice little kit and a very nice little opportunity that's presented by Luxador. But basically that's what I have, all that I had for today's video, guys. I hope that you found today's video interesting, entertaining, or like informing. If you did, as usual, give it a like, and I also hope that you're going to join me in my next video for your dose of some fragrance content. And until then, stay safe and bye bye.